Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up, Gemini. We'll be picking few cards, guys. One card each actually. Today's reading is going to be quite short, guys, Gemini. So tomorrow I'll be doing an elaborate reading for you all. So today I'll be picking one card each for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Gemini. So we will start with the daily reading, guys. It's Temperance. So in your situation, this may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. You are able to find that harmony and balance. You are able to manage whatever your situation is. Maybe you are facing some stressful situations, but still you are able to find that peace of mind. You are able to control the way you react to any situation, and you are able to lead that harmonious life today. That is what I see. And you are able to work with people. That team spirit is there. You are able to communicate well with the people you are in connection with. So you have that harmony and balance in your situation today, guys. So no matter what your situation, you find peace today. That is what I see with this card. So you may be quite emotional today. You are trying to control the way you react. Maybe in some situations you are going for that response instead of reacting today. That is what I see here. So you have an understanding. You know what you need to do to work in a harmonious way with the people you are working with or in your family. That is what I see with this card, guys, Gemini. So for your career situation, Gemini, Queen of Pentacles. So with this card here again, in your career situation, you are a very responsible person, guys, and you are a person who supports. Again, I see here that you have that team spirit in you. You work with people well. You have that great communication skills, and you know how to make people work for you, how to make them put in that effort, bring out that work from them. So you are a person who is bringing brimming with confidence and courage and support. You support the people with whom you work. So you have great communication skills. That is what I see here, guys, Gemini. So in your career, you are able to manage and find that balance. That is what I see with this card. So for your relationship, Gemini, King of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your situation, this may relate to your person's energy or your energy, guys. You are dealing with somebody who is not entirely truthful to you, maybe, Gemini. So they are not telling you the truth in some situation. So you may be feeling that you are putting in so much effort, and you are investing your time and energy, and you are so truthful and loyal, but they are not so. So maybe for some of you, you may feel stressed in your relationship. That is what I see with this card, Gemini. And maybe for some of you, this person may be spreading rumors about you guys, and they may be interested in someone else also. So they are not totally interested in you for this love or for being with you, but they have their own agenda. So you have to be careful, Gemini. That is what I see here with this card, guys. And that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another elaborate reading. Bye, Gemini.